Welcome to the channel, guys. Another vlog coming at you on the car build and the motor build. We're starting to get somewhere. If you missed last night's video, be sure to check it out. We installed the drain pan and got that good. So we flipped the motor back over for today's video, and we have the head, which this is a full ported head, and I also have ARP head studs to go on and neutral balance shafts, as I think I said in last night's video. So we'll have to throw those in at some point. But so basically what we're going to focus on tonight is we want to get the head mounted, and we also obviously got a brand new head gasket for that too. So we'll get the studs and everything put in here, and I'm pretty sure these were supposed to come with the paste to put on the threads, which it was supposed to. Yeah, included in this kit is a packet of Ultra Torque Fastener Assembly lubricant. So we are good to go with that, and we'll get those in there and get the head ready to set and check the head for any damage, malfunctioning, anything, whatever the case may be. Just go over it, make sure there's nothing wrong with it, no imperfections, anything like that, and hopefully there's not. Correct?
Correct.
All right. Head studs are officially in, and we're ready to move on to the next step, which is gonna be installing the head, putting the gasket on, throwing the head on, which we still have to make sure there's no imperfections or damage to this head. Either way, these could have gone in, and they did, so we have them in just hand tight right now, all of them. And then we're gonna lubricate the stud threads, nuts, and the washers with the fastener lubricant supplied by ARP. And then we're going to have to do 3 equal steps of torquing them in the sequence that the book says on here. And 3 equal steps to 80 foot-pounds with the torque fastener assembly lubricant. So we'll get on that, get the gasket on there and the head mounted, and get them torqued. Alright guys, we got the head on here. Head actually looks really good. It looks great. And super stoked because it is finally starting to get somewhere with this build. And really happy with the head overall too. The guys over at ZZP did an awesome job porting it and everything and cleaning it up really well. So really stoked about that. So right now we're going to get all the nuts and the washers and also the studs, and we're going to lubricate them with the fastener lubricant, and then we're going to have to go through our torque sequence to get them torqued and do all that. All right, so once you get the washers and the nuts on all the studs, then they're supposed to be down hand tight. Then what you want to do is you want to check your tightening sequence, which basically you're going to start in the middle, 1 and 2, then 3, 4, 5, 6, and it's going to kind of go across pattern. So you want to follow that sequence, and then you want to go to 80 foot-pounds, but you want to do it in 3 steps. So we'll probably end up, I'm going to check and see what they want as far as torque specs, as far as what the book says. But we're going to do it so that we can do it in 3 equal steps to 80 foot-pounds in that sequence. All right, guys. Huge setback after last night. And obviously, we do still have the head on, but we did have to pull it off. And the bolts and all that stuff, or the nuts, I should say, came off. Number one reason, right there. We didn't have these bolts, so we tried to use the ones off of the other motor. And as I was torquing it, one snapped off down in the head, so we had to pull everything back off, pull the head off, and unfortunately pull the head back off and remove that bolt that broke. So now we're kind of at a standstill until I can get new bolts, and I do already have them ordered, so hopefully we'll get those fast enough and we can get the build progressing forward. Just a big setback. So we ended up getting it taken care of last night and getting the bolt and everything out. Threads are okay, so we're fine there. Camera's getting wet. Anyway, so might jump into the neutral balance shafts and maybe some stuff with the timing and whatnot, but probably not going to get too carried away with that until we have the head fastened and secured down and torqued and everything is good to go with that. So unfortunately, huge setback, but what are you going to do? I guess it happens, and I guess I could always take apart some more of the other motor, because I do have to send the head back and whatnot, so we can get some of that stuff taken apart and everything. But I mean, we are progressing. Just the other day we didn't even have the drain pan on, and now we have, it's starting to look like a motor. So hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe. Check out some of the past videos. Hope you enjoyed. Have a great day.